Hello, welcome to Coach Michael 101, where we listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. If you like what you see today, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss a single video. Today we're going to check out If Veterans Were in Horror Movies, Part 4. This is the latest one from 2021. Matt Best and the Black Rifle Coffee Company, back at it. If Veterans Were in Horror Movies, Part 4. Let it roll. Some highlights from last few years. I wonder whose Kyle Flora that is.
Little pig, let me in! Well, I'll puff and I'll puff!
A little shining action from Jack Nicholson.
Here's Johnny! Here's a shotty! Oh no.
Got the line down.
I feel like these skits are pretty unoriginal. That's all right. All clear.
I love the self-awareness.
Oh, hey, Matt. Have you seen Lux anywhere?
Why have I seen Lux?
Well, I'm about to take her trick-or-treating, and she was getting dressed up as a spooky little demon girl.
I didn't see Lux. I'll go look for her. I'll look for her.
Okay.
She's not in there.
She looks so real. It's crazy.
Oh, yeah.
How many pieces of candy is
Well, if you've ever seen the movie Aliens 2, that looks just like Newt. Doesn't that look like Newt? If you've seen the movie, comment down below.
that?
3,
How many yards?
300.
All right, you got a 12-mile-an-hour full-value wind.
Daddy, that's a half value wind.
Ah, you're right. Make your adjustments.
Shooter ready.
Nice shot.
Where the fuck have you guys been? Wait, oh! This is like the Bird Box thing. Do I gotta cover my eyes?
Not at all. We're merely dressed like American politicians during the Afghanistan withdrawal.
You know what's actually scary? The trillions of dollars wasted overseas with no accountability. But hey, tax the rich.
And then what happened? He looks up at the corner, he's like, no, my testicles are in the tourniquet.
Oh my God. I want to suck your dicks.
Oh, it's one of those Navy vampires.
Navy vampire.
Jared?
Sorry, it's free.
What is free? What is free?
The dick sucking is free.
Then place your shirt off.
Zombies again?
Yeah.
Every year.
It's getting a little unoriginal to shoot them. We need something creative.
I think that's a shot at The Walking Dead because let's face it, show got a little boring. Little boring.
A bowling ball?
Well, yeah, it's filled with RDX.
Logan!
Yeah.
Yes!
Yes. Would you like to touch my holes?
No. It's fair. Send it. Fair.
Oh my God! I have a chainsaw gun. I'm gonna reiterate. I put a chainsaw on a gun. I cannot wait to try this. And he's walking away. Where are you going? Pussy.
I'm just saying,
Shut the fuck up.
Why?
Listen outside.
Oh, it's like a quiet place.
Keyword fucking quiet. I have an idea.
I mean, we could double 50 cal a witch.
250s, one witch?
That's catchy. I like that.
I'm in.
2 girls, 1 cup. If you don't know what that is, Don't look it up. You don't want to know what that is.
Decal a witch.
250s, one witch?
That's catchy. I like that.
I'm in.
Nothing makes sense anymore.
You want to go spill some demon
Masks
blood?
in a car.
Yeah. Wanna? Let's go.
Yeah. Ready? Yeah.
I don't think this is working.
I got an idea.
Teamwork makes the dream work! Send it!
Veterans were in horror movies, part 4. Black Rifle Coffee Company, keeping us entertained. Man, good stuff. If you like what you saw today, hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. This is Coach Michael 101. Listen to music, check out movies, other miscellaneous mayhem, and hopefully we have some fun along the way. I'll see you next video.